So this is original. That's the original plate, right? This is a facsimile. Now, you can't see it in this light, but you can see how there's been some moisture penetration to this edge. They matched the paper as close as they could to the original paper, and then they even imitated the moisture penetration. Look.
Wow.
Right? Now, you can tell it's a facsimile because if you run your hand along this page, you can feel the type. You can feel the punch type. This one, there's no punch.
Wow.
Right? So, like, this is also a facsimile. Unfortunately, the holy table is also missing, so it's reproduced a facsimile. But even here with the facsimile, you can still see where they've imitated the moisture penetration.
So this is facsimile, the folder.
Facsimile.
Wow. I mean, I didn't, I wouldn't have
But
known.
if you feel the paper, right, and then feel the...
Yeah.
You feel the original paper? It's quite close.
It's quite close.
But it's not, it's not an exact match.
But once you know to look for it, you can totally tell. Yeah. Oh yeah, who cares? Oh my god, it's so cool. It's so cool.
So, and the other page that's reproduced in facsimile is the furnace. So this is also reproduced in facsimile.
Okay, but not this.
No, this is original.
Yeah, that's gorgeous.
You can even tell on the back. You can see you can feel the punch.
And in color, so that means it was painted.
I can't believe you brought this thing, man.
So this is original. It's printed in red. So this was actually printed with 2 colors.
Oh, okay. So they did 2 color printing.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, 2 color printing was not super expensive. At least on one page, just on one folio.
And it's amazing that this was published to discredit Dee and raise Merrick Kosovo's status amongst his friends and the crown.
It's all meant to show he was a terrible Anabaptist.
and as a result, he kicked off a revolution.
Enochian magic revolution.
That leads us to this moment right here.
It's
really, so far out.
But what's really great about this specific volume is it was probably owned by a practicing magician, because if you get...
Right, maybe the guy who wrote 3191 or whatever.
That's
I know, we don't know.
Yeah, we don't know.
Who knows?
But if we get to the one of the charts here, I'll find it. If I can help me find it real fast. So one of these grids. Come on, where is it at? Sorry.
No need to apologize. We could do this for a while. This is one of those moments in life.
Yeah. This is one of the coolest pages because, as you probably know, a lot of these really strange grids are quite difficult to figure out how they worked. But you can see that the owner is trying to figure out how the grids work.
Wow.
And they've been correcting some of the things.
Yeah, and only a practitioner would actually bother to do that,
they're
right?
trying to figure out how this works.
Yeah.
So it's probably owned by a early
And it
modern...
could have even been cotton, right?
Could maybe Rudd, who knows?
Rudd? It could be Rudd's copy. It could be Cotton's copy. It could be, yeah.
It's possible.
It's possible.
It's insane.
That is unbelievable.
Yeah, if only I had 12,000 US in my pocket.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah, it's the kind of book that, it's